First, we are going to talk about the table. I find myself using my workbench quite a bit as it's slotted and makes it easy to install things like tabletop vice grips or different types of C-clamps as shown here. The legs are made of 3/16 square tube stock on 2.5-inch casters, also equipped with a slide-out grinder rack for easy storage, along with chipping hammer holders, places to put extra MIG wire, places to store your grinder discs, along with places to store clamps when not in use. Right next to the table, I have my McGraw air compressor, 20 gallons and 135 max PSI with 2 hose connections. First air hose connection is for my blowgun to get rid of shop dust. My second line, which we'll get to later. So over here I have some of my gear displayed. First off, we have the Lincoln Electric Omni Shield for grinding. This is a great clear shield if you're looking for a high quality one that will last you for a long time. Next we have the Lincoln Electric Viking welding hood, the 1740 series. I love the true color filter in this. It's amazing and I would recommend it. Last but not least is my custom Chop Tiger hood. I use this a lot as well with a Shade 10 auto darkening lens. Next we got the machine side. So first off I have a 5-speed drill press from Central Machinery. I don't get a ton of use out of this thing, but it comes in handy sometimes. Now, this is what my second airline goes to. It is a Hero Cut 45i plasma cutter. So this is my most recent purchase along with the air compressor. So, yeah, let's get into it. This has a max of 45 amps. You got a little air meter there. You can control the amperage and you have a recommended cutting thickness for your amps. This is your plasma torch. It is a touch connection, so you have to be pressed against the metal for it to cut. Next is my little stick welder from Welding. And yeah, it's just a small little inverter machine. Nothing too special, but yeah, this was the first ever machine that I bought. Next is my little Yes Welder TIG 205 DS. So yeah, this is a little DC TIG and stick welder. You have a little foot pedal. Here is your torch. I have a 17 style torch on this right now. But yeah, kind of a little simple, but yeah, it's great for if you want to start learning TIG. Next up, this is my titanium MiG 140 from Harbor Freight. This is a MIG and flux machine, so it is a wire feed process. You got your wire speed, which is how fast the wire comes out of your MIG gun. You got your voltage, how much heat you're putting into your metal, and this is inductance. So on the inside here, you have a 10-pound spool of flux core wire along with your wire feeder. So this is what feeds into your hose and out the MIG gun. So we have the machine on right now, and I wanted to show you the wire process. So you can see that spool turning and the wire coming out of the gun. Over here you have the tank of 100% pure argon. This is for TIG welding. So if you see here, this should be on. There you go. If you can see the gauge. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed 2022 shop tour. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video.